Enw fi yw Ruby Meredith. Dwi'n byw yn Abertelewi ac dwi'n 13 mlwydd oed. Tro cyntaf roedd mam a dad wedi sylweddoli bod roedd fi'n gallu canu oedd pryd roedd ni mewn bwyty.
She got up in front of the pub and she was only 3 and she sang a song for everybody and everybody was very, very impressed. And from that day onwards, she just sang and sang and sang.
Heblaw am canu, dwi'n helpu dad fi lan y gym.
She just lights up the gym when she comes in. High-fiving the members, coaching the members.
Ruby sandwich. Ruby sandwich, I'm the ham and you two the bread.
And then, you know, doing boot camp and things, but also singing as she's doing it, which is quite fun.
Dwi'n credu bod talent fi yn dod o modreb nain fi. Roedd hi'n canu opera. Dwi'n mynd i fynd am 100%. Mae neb yn mynd i stopio fi. Dwi'n mynd i gwneud fy gorau glas a dyna gyd dwi'n gallu gwneud. In all the good times I found myself longing for change. And in the bad times I fear myself. I'm up the deep end watching.
How are you feeling?
Oh, yeah. I feel
really
nervous
emotional.
for her, yeah. And, you know, I feel...
That's going.
Is it?
In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we fall from the shallow now.
Oh, she loves it. Oh, bless.
Wow.
Oh, I'm relaxed.
Well.
Breathe.
Wow. Y llais top na, yn anhygoel, mae'n popi, mae'n cool. Dwi eisiau ti ar tîm. Ti'n awesome.
Yeah, diolch.
Diolch i ti, oedd
Diolch.
hwnna'n lyflu. Llongyfarchiadau.
Diolch.
Da iawn.